Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a loop? Wake up, work, get paid, repeat. But at the end of the month, you're still broke. You still feel trapped. And worse, you don't even enjoy what you do. Now imagine this. You wake up, grab a cup of coffee, open your laptop, and start working from anywhere in the world. No boss, no morning rush, no paycheck that barely covers your bills. Instead, you decide how much you earn. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me tell you something crazy. It's not a dream. It's happening right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start freelancing today, even if you have zero skills or experience. But before we dive in, what's stopping you from freelancing? Fear of failure? Not knowing where to start? Drop a comment below. I'll read them personally. Let's talk facts. The world is changing fast. Companies are now hiring freelancers instead of full-time employees because it's cheaper, faster, and more flexible. The global freelance market is worth $1.2 trillion and growing. 60% of companies are shifting to freelance hiring instead of full-time employees. Top freelancers make $100,000 plus per year working part-time. And here's the best part. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to tap into this goldmine. I know what you're thinking. I don't have any skills. I'm not a graphic designer. I'm not a coder. I don't know video editing. But did you know that people are making $500 plus per month just by doing simple tasks like writing short blog posts, paid $30 to $100 per post, managing social media, paid $15 to $50 per hour, virtual assistant tasks, paid $10 to $25 per hour, testing websites and giving feedback, paid $10 to $50 per test. Still think you have no skills? Let me know in the comments. What's something you're good at that could be turned into a service? Most people fail in freelancing not because of a lack of talent, but because they make these 3 deadly mistakes. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong platform. Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are not the same. If you pick the wrong one for your skill, you'll struggle to get clients. Solution: research which platform is best for your niche. Mistake number 2, undervaluing your work. Beginners often charge way too little and get stuck in a low-paying loop. Solution: always increase your prices after your first 5 clients. Mistake number 3, giving up too soon. Freelancing takes time to build. Most people quit after 1 month. Solution: stay consistent and treat it like a real business. Which of these mistakes do you think is the most dangerous? Comment below. Enough theory. Now let's get practical. If you follow these steps, you can start making money from freelancing within the next 30 days. Step 1, pick a skill. If you're unsure, start with something easy like writing, social media, or customer service. Step 2, create a killer profile. Your profile should be short, clear, and showcase why someone should hire you. Step 3, get your first 3 clients fast. Offer your first service for free or at a discount to build reviews. Step 4, scale up. Once you have reviews, increase your prices and expand your services. Which step are you on right now? Let me know in the comments. Here's the truth: freelancing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill, a business. And just like any business, it requires patience and consistency. Think about this. If you start today, imagine where you'll be in 1 year. Making $1,000 per month? $5,000? More? But if you don't start, nothing changes. Are you ready to take control of your future? If yes, type "I'm ready" in the comments and let's go. Now, before you go, here's what I want you to do. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more freelancing tips. Watch this video next.